The sun is setting, day is done. We've had our play, we've had our fun. The flowers close their petals tight. It's time to get ready for the night. Wash your face and brush your hair. Put on jammies soft and fair. Story time and gentle hugs. Cozy blankets warm and snug. In the tub with bubbles white, splashing gently in the light. Wash away the day's adventures, all our giggles, all our pleasures. Towel dry and slip on socks, wind the music in the box. Story time and gentle hugs, cozy blankets warm and snug. Choose a book with pictures sweet. Snuggle up from head to feet. Mommy's voice so soft and low. Watch the sleepy feeling grow. Teddy bears and dolls so dear keep you safe when sleep is near. Story time and gentle hugs, cozy blankets warm and snug. Stars are dancing in the sky. Moon is singing a lullaby. Close your little sleepy eyes. Dream beneath the peaceful skies. Angels watching from above, wrapping you in sleepy love. Story time and gentle hugs, cozy blankets warm and snug. Breathe so slowly, drift away. Dreams will carry you to play in a land where wishes come true. Morning sun will wake up you. Rest now, little sleepyhead, safe and sound in your warm bed. Sweetest dreams the whole night through. Tomorrow's adventures wait for you. Shh, sleep tight, everything will be alright. Dream of clouds and butterflies until the morning sun will rise.